That is cold. Hi guys, I am Journey from Journey's Hobbies. I'm short on, by the way. And today I thought I'm actually gonna make 2 videos today. So the first one I figured because it's kind of harder. It involves a little bit of math, which I'm not that good at. So market prep part 1 is probably going to be the title of this video. If it's not, sorry. So okay, I need this page. Okay, I'm looking through the 3 pages that I have written down of stuff of it's basically like a planning sheet for the market. This is my folder. Yes, it's horrible. Yes, I wrote it with Sharpie. Anyway, so I have a list of things that I'm gonna make 1 through 10, and four of the things out of the 10 have sizes, and that will depend on how much money it is. I actually don't need this. I need a different paper. I just realized that does not have, I mean, it has the prices, but it's not as easy to read as this. So I needed the first page, actually. Okay, so we have 1 through 10. So, yeah. I have a bag here. I hopefully will make that my cover photo because I just was there for like an awkward amount of time holding that. Anyway, so we're gonna go through what I've made. Yeah, I figured this would be fun in a short little video and you guys would like it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 scrunchies that I made for my market, and particularly I've made so many more scrunchies this month, especially because I got new yarn. The purple and the brown is new actually, and the pink is new, but I used it all. So how many of these did I say there were? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. So that's $16. I feel like I should have a pen and a blank piece of paper because right now I do not have a blank piece of paper. But I do have this paper, but there's no other paper. I'm gonna have to get up to get paper. Camera, it looks like it's not my closet because, you know, just an empty doorway. But yeah, so paper. So okay. The second thing we have is, that was number 1, the scrunchies. And then number 5, $5. And I have 1. This is Dollar Tree yarn, by the way. I love how it came out though. For some reason, when I do like Dollar Tree yarn on my Nano machine, it always turns out so good. And I'm starting to think, why is that? I need to take a lint roller to these because my dog's hair is all over it. She's right here, by the way. So I said that. So I have 1. And then I have 2. I recently made a video out of this. Actually, I don't think I'll be doing this again. I think this was just a, you know, test out type of thing because I hate tying it. I don't know why. I like it though. It used up scrap yarn, which is why I made it. The only thing I don't like is this right here, so I will probably discount it. And especially because the color changes are not even. So that's 2. And then I have this, but it's doubled up. So I don't know if I should charge extra or keep it the same because it does use more yarn. But I feel like for now, at least, keep it the same. I feel like I'll change my price or add another thing to make on. So yeah, there's a green one, and then I think there's one more. Yeah, there's one more. And then this is a purple one. It's kind of big. Let me roll it up again. So yeah, that is 4. Should be 4. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is 4. So 4 times 5 is. Sorry, I gotta write it down. 20. So we have 16 plus 20 is 26. That is not 26. That is 36. I don't know. Okay, and then we have number 4, which is $10 to $15. So I think, because I only have one of this, I'm just gonna put this down as $10 because I will be making longer ones. But also the skeins of yarn that I buy to make these are either like $3 something because it depends on which yarn I'm getting. But for these, I'm thinking of getting this yarn because it's multicolored. But this yarn, for this much yarn, which I can make like 4 hats out of this yarn, I think. It's pretty heavy too. So you know it's kind of good quality. I'm gonna just put down I don't know, because I'm still like unsure of how I should price things because I don't know how people are gonna do with the pricing, you know what I'm saying? Like especially because the market's gonna be in May, as in it's gonna be warm, so I doubt the more like wintry stuff will sell. So I feel like if I mark it down cheaper, then more people are likely to buy it. So I'm just gonna put 36 plus 10 equals 46. All right, and then we have 2 more things. Number 9. We have number 9, which is $5 for this one. And I only have one here, so it's just $5. So the large ones that I'm gonna make, which I don't even think I'm gonna make large ones to be honest. Yeah, it's just a little coin purse. It uses up scrap yarn really good. So I figured it would be nice. So I have a yellow one. I only have one, so 46 plus 5. I have another thing. I forget which number that is. It's number 2. $51. Okay, and so we have this, which is a medium. It's a schmedium. Fits me pretty good. I don't have any complaints about how it fits, and I'm a medium. So, yeah. So, the medium number 2, it says the mediums are 20 bucks, the smaller 15, and then the larger 25. So, wait, so what was it? 20, okay. So that's $71 right here worth of product in this little bag. So let me go through the prices and my thinking on them. So I'm going to list you 1 through 10, and they're marked 1 through 10 just so it's easier for me to read, by the way. So number 1 is scrunchies. Number 2 is the crop tops with the open back. Number 3 is headbands, which I have a lot of. I just didn't make them this month. So number 4 is knitted scarves. Number 5 is knitted beanies and hats. Number 6 is baby blankets. Number 7 is dog and cat hats, which I'm just going to put as the same number because the cat hats are going to be as small in dog hats. So, yeah. Which I already have some made, but I need to get them out. They're in a bag right now, actually. So, I just don't want to go through that bag. Number 9 is the coin purses, and then number 10 is market bags, which, speaking of market bags, I am actually working on one right now. I'm using a different technique than I've used before. The first ever and only market bag I've made was, I started it off with a hair tie. So I kind of just made my own pattern, to be honest. So it works. So number 1 is $2. Number 2 is small 15, medium 20, large 25. Although I think I will up those prices because it will be like the summertime. So those tops are pretty popular in the summertime. And especially because they're the open back, so like you're not gonna get cold. So I don't know, I'm undecisive. Number 3 is $3, which I'll probably do like sets and then make them like $1, $2 off of what they would originally be if you bought them separate. I don't know, that's something for the future when it gets closer to the market. Like I said, it's not until May of 2025 and we're in July 2024, so I feel like I literally have a whole school year before any of that happens. So yeah, number 4 is $10 to $15. I'm thinking for the shorter scarves, which is like the normal size scarves, I'll do like $10, and then the longer ones I'll do $15. Although I think I will up my prices. I do not know. It kind of just depends on what yarn I'm using, to be honest. Number 5 is $5 because why not? I feel like I will do a deal definitely on the hats. You know, like a matching set of hats, 2 for $5, like, or 2 for $7, 2 for $6, like, you know. Number 6, I was thinking, I wrote 20, 25, $30. Yeah, I could not make up my mind on how to price these because if I were to price these at 25, it wouldn't be the most expensive thing that I would have, right? I hate my part right now. It is so sideways, but I really don't care. But like, I do, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm just gonna put it for 30 because I mean they are crocheted by hand. I'm not making them on the knitting machine. Like everything on the knitting machine, I'm not like charging for like my physical labor. I'm really only charging for the yarn, which is usually like $3 worth of yarn that's being put into the hats. Yes, I'm missing a nail. Sorry. I'm gonna glue back on later. So yeah. So number 7, so the number 6 would be the most expensive thing that I would have. And I don't know how many baby blankets I'm gonna make. I wrote down to make number 7. No, that's number 6. I wrote down that I should make 15, but I don't know. I'll probably just price it based off of how much yarn I use, like I said. I'm really only going off for prices off of how much yarn I'm going to use. I'm not going to go off of anything else. Just because, I don't know, like, it's going to be my first market. I obviously want people to buy things, but I also want to make a profit. So I'm going to, like I said, time and time again, I'm going to just wait until it gets closer and I know the details about the market. Like, I probably won't until like a week or so before the market price things, like for sure price things, because sorry, I just don't want any like miscommunications with myself. Okay, so the dog hats, I've wrote $5 for the small, $10 for the medium, and $15 for the large. Although I think I will take the dog hats off of the thing because I don't know if they would sell, because again, this is stuff for like the winter. Like obviously you're not going to put a hat on your dog in the summer when the hat's made for winter, you know what I'm saying? So that's another thing I'm still undecided with. I think I'll just not make anything for number 6. I think I'll just cross number 6 out and not make it. Number 8, small 10, medium 15, large 20, which is the cat ear hats. I don't think I will be making the cat ear hats, mainly because they're, for one, time consuming, and for 2, I just don't like to make them anymore. And 3, they take a lot of yarn. Like, it doesn't look like they take a lot of yarn, but they really do. Number 9, which is coin purses. I was thinking 5 for the small and 10 for the medium. So I did not put down large. I was going to, but then I erased it because I didn't know if I should make large because that's going to be really big. And the point of the coin purses is that it's something smaller, so it'll be one of the easier things to make and the quicker things to make. I don't know. So, I don't know. I might just only do small and only sell them for like $5 to $3. Again, not so sure on the pricing. So, number 10, small 10, medium 15, and then I don't know if I'll do large. That's why I put a question mark next to it, and large would be 20. Again, going up by $5 because, you know, need more yarn. Plus, I still need to make a profit. And the number 10 is the market bags, which is actually this. I'm trying out a new way to make them. Honestly, I don't really like making the market bags, so I think I'm gonna just stick to very simple stuff for right now, like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 9. So 7, I'm in between if I should even make them at all, because I don't know if they'll sell. But like, and then number 10, it's solely going off of if I can freehand a pattern, even though it's freehand, a way that works for me. Which I'm gonna finish this. I don't know if this is going to work for me though. So yeah, this bag could either go really good or really horrible. And I'm not gonna work on it tonight. I'm gonna work on the blanket I got going on and make another video. So yeah. And number 8, the cat ear hats. I feel like they're just a struggle to make. Again, I don't follow a pattern, and I freehand everything. Everything that is on this list and everything that I've ever made is freehand. Like, I cannot for the life of me sit down and watch a pattern, which, yes, I can sit down, watch a YouTube video, and then kind of do it how they're doing, but not exactly how they're doing it. Like, I'm just going to do it how I think it should go, which is what I did, and that's how I make my tops. Ada actually taught me that because she watched a tutorial and she got the tutorial. Although, yeah, I think we're gonna start doing like tutorial Saturdays or something. So like every Saturday I'll like watch a tutorial and try to figure it out with you guys. I doubt that's happening. I feel like we should do like whip Saturday. Or Saturday whip, because I have so many whips that need to be done. They don't need to be done, but I'm also, as I see it, I am more worried about Christmas stuff than I am, and it's only July, I know. I still have got a few months, I know, but I'm stressed. But I am also not so worried about the market, because I know that when I get there, I'm obviously going to have supplies because I already have yarn, which I feel like I'm going to need more of. So, I'm just writing the date on the paper. Yeah, that's my math. It's crooked. You love it? I do. So yeah, I feel like I'm stressing for no reason, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I did, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.